guys, this is Cece at Just in Time, and I am currently in one of our clients' vehicles doing our initial test drive with our technician, Robbie. Say hi, Robbie.
Hello.
We are going to be testing this out to see if we can duplicate our client's concern of bad wheel bearings. Now, I can tell you that we have seen this vehicle before, so we pretty much do already know it's got bad wheel bearings, so we're using this video to show you guys what you need to look for when your wheel bearings are going bad. You should be able to hear this noise very clearly, but pay attention and see if you can pull it out. All right, Robbie, let's go. Pretty normal, getting up to speed. Ooh, it's kind of coming. That humming noise is a bad wheel bearing. Now, what this means in terms of your driving safety, as far as I know, again, I'm not a technician, but the worst possible scenario of letting a noise like this go in your vehicle is that your wheel may fully detach. Now, you don't want that. So, if you start hearing this noise, come by the shop, let us know. We'll replace those bearings for you and get you back on the road with a safe drive.